Welcome to Morocco!
You know you want to hear these on later.
You didn't put your hand up.
I did to him. Then you turn around and put your hand up.
That was just coincidence. You think? It's not even confirmed. Gosh, this is gorgeous. Just chilling. Oh, they're probably broken their fast now. Let's see if we can all go in. Are we all gonna? I don't know if we're all gonna fit.
Oh god. Oh, I don't know that belly burn to shop for that.
At what time did you fly it?
I started let go at 11 and I ended up here. That's such a cool thing. And it's like
Are there?
3 other people.
Yeah, it's just over.
thank you. Then all I did was pay about the service and it was like half those words.
lovely. That's our tour guide. I'm so glad you heard all this.
Yeah, thank God for you.
The square is
I know you're good. I know what you. Okay.
Medina is the tradition we make for Ramadan. And to make that, we make with flour and saffron. That's satay that we
Alright, you ready? We go through that gap, or do we like?
We don't have a lot of places there. This is one. We make things and we square with the olive oil. This is the natural one and we use it at the breakfast and we can mix between honey, the olive oil and also argan oil or Moroccan nutella. We'll also explain for you about the testing we are going to do.
Thank you.
I tried to get into it. I do mostly pictures. But now,
Very famous in Morocco.
They say I'm such a foodie, so this was on my list.
Okay.
Try, we can all look stick together. We can all look stick together.
okay. These look like they're easier to get out than the fridge. Like the
What?
you just take one out.
Okay, these ones are soft though. A bit soft? Yeah. Oh, that's fine though. A bit gritty though, but like, it's still good. Very good. Oh my god, you're scared? Just pop it in your mouth straight. That's quite a fat one. Oh, very good. It is very good. It's quite meaty. It's got like a peppery taste.
This is the dates. Bismillah.
Don't be shy.
Anna.
I don't like dates, but
This one is
What are these?
figs. It's very good. The figs.
Ready? Cheers. Cheers. Oh.
sorry, what was your name?
Oh, Chris. It's really good, thank you. Thank you.
Oh my word.
Thank you.
thank you so much.
Is it good?
Oh, the garlic.
Banana.
Good?
It's delicious.
Very good.
It's delicious.
And sweet paprika and a little bit of cumin. And that give one taste amazing.
Parsley and cumin.
And
Okay.
sweet perkly. Sweet paprika.
Spicy. Oh, I got two.
Just a bit. It's good also. Spicy one, my friend? Good.
Spicy.
Dit is schijnbaar hele spicy.
Very spicy.
Very
No,
spicy.
no, no.
What is this?
Preserved lemon.
Oh wow!
Very good.
I caught that on camera. So did I, to be honest.
Huh? It's salty, yeah. We mix with
Preserved
salt.
lemon.
With salt. Lemon with salt.
Lemon and salt.
And we preserve about 1 month and give us this taste like that.
That was not what
That
I thought it was
is
going to taste like
salty.
at all.